Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Thronmax C1P Pro Vlogger Kit, which comprises of a directional microphone, an LED light source, and a tabletop tripod and stand. If you put the kit together, it's ideal for those of you vlogging out in the field or doing travel videos where you'll get improved audio and also the fill-in light to make your videos stand out so much more than just using your iPhone. Now, you can use this with Android phones as well. In addition to that, you could also use it with compact cameras, DSLR or mirrorless. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox the Thronmax C1P StreaMMic Pro Vlogger Kit. First of all, there's a Thronmax branded hard case for keeping all of the components of the kit together when you're out in the field. We'll open that up and take a look at what comes inside the box. So we've got all the components here laid out in front of us. Let's start with the tripod stand itself. We'll open that up, and as you can see, it will provide a stable tabletop tripod experience, or if you fold it up into your hands, that acts as your selfie stick. There's a tripod attachment for the top of the tripod legs. There's a mobile phone attachment, which allows you to place most modern mobile phones very comfortably. And you've got a mount for a horizontal and vertical position. There's the Directional Thronmax microphone, which has a 3.5 input for attaching your cable. There's an attachment which we can use later on for mounting that microphone. And there's the LED light source, which has a dial allowing you to produce different intensities of light. So there is the light turn on at the moment at 55%, down to 0, 6%, and all the way up to 100%. There's a windshield for the microphone if you're using it outdoors. That will help you reduce wind noise. And then we have a whole bunch of cables. So we have a 3.5 to USB-C cable, which is ideal for using the microphone with Android devices. A 3.5 TRS to TRRS for using with Android and iPhones through the headphone jack. Now, with most modern iPhones, you don't have a 3.5 port for headphones and microphones anymore. So you'll need to use one of these cables, being the iPhone Lightning to 3.5 audio jack, which you can pick up for around $15 online from the Apple Store. And once you connect that to this iPhone and Android cable, you can plug it straight into your phone and use the microphone. There's another TRS to TRS cable for using the microphone with DSLR or mirrorless cameras. And then there's a USB-C cable for charging up the LED light. And you can use it on the tabletop as a tabletop tripod and stand for a locked off shot. Or if you want to get up and move about, you can pick it up, hold it in your hand, flip it around, and you can start your vlog, complete with the microphone and light source. Now let's have a quick go and test out what the audio sounds like. So I'll put the camera on, go into video mode, flip it around into selfie mode. And here's a sample of the Thronmax vlogging kit. This is what the audio sounds like. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye for now.